Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily and dip technical analysis. Let's get straight into it. On the charts, hit that subscribe button for daily and dip technical analysis. And we are going over what the overall market is doing. And if this is healthy, that is broken through these $45,000 levels on Bitcoin. We're about to go over that right now. We have seen a breakdown, alright, through this previous support around these $45,000 levels. We saw it hold for about a week above, and now it is breaking down. So this is really, really, really important right now. This is what we need to watch in order for this to be a healthy breakdown as opposed to a not healthy breakdown, alright? So if it were to retrace, it's crucial, very crucial, that we catch support around these $40,000 levels, all right? Very, very crucial, all right? We have this previous support line here, right? One, we also have this. Now, we have this, we have these. It just keeps going back. This is $40,000 levels are very, very important for buyers to step in. If we don't see buyers step in here, we will most likely see some support. Okay, it will most likely come back down, bounce up, but it's important to see us just bounce straight back through these $45,000 levels with no resistance. So this will take a couple weeks, most likely, to come down to and bounce and rebounds. So we could even come back down to just these 42,500 levels based on this previous resistance here and then see a bounce. That would be the most bullish. So most bullish comes down to here, bounces up. Second most bullish comes down to here, bounces up. If it breaks through the bottom, then we got to watch these 37,000s. But these are the three scenarios that we need to keep our eyes on at the moment. And it's very important that, we see this happen. We see some buyers step in and we see this volume start to thicken up a little bit. Good news is we are still in higher lows, and this is a very bullish sign. We didn't break down, okay? We didn't break through this trend line, okay? We are creating 1, 2, 3, 4 higher lows, okay? It's a great sign. It is still very bullish. However, in the next 2 weeks, we might be seeing some red. Let's say week and a half, couple days. As it retraces and catches support either on this line, or even this line, I would take that off. One of these two. All right, cool. This is Bitcoin. Let's get into Dogelon Mars. Now, Dogelon Mars has a lot to do with Bitcoin, because it very much follows it as well. So, Dogelon Mars, what we are looking at, it's still looking very, very bullish, which means it's looking very green. It's looking like it is holding support nice. If Bitcoin does decide to drop, we will see a drop in Dogelon Mars, and we will see a drop down to these 8.6 levels. Excuse that phone call. These 8.6 levels, okay? Boom. That is on the first level. Remember how there were 3 levels? This is the first level. The second level, it will be down to around these 7s, okay? Around these 7s. Boom, boom, okay? If we hit down these 7s, very bullish. I will be adding the rest of my portfolio in. The last time I averaged in was around these 6.2s, or these, I averaged first time in around these 6.2s, second time around these 6.4s as it retraced here. And I'm still holding. I'm still holding my position, and I have a little bit of my portfolio that I haven't fully averaged in yet because I'm waiting for the right time. And this will be a very nice time if we get the privilege of coming this low again before we spike. Overall, in the micro, we are looking bearish, semi-bearish. We are just looking for it to hold support and then start going again. It's absolutely ripping again. In the macro, long term, it's extremely bullish, okay? Extremely bullish. We have seen, I'll just show you guys, honestly. It's easier to see it than describe it. That being said, if you want to learn how to trade the charts, if you want to get better and invest in your future, so you'll know what to do in any chart that you trade in the future, check out the course. It's 50% off right now, and it will only be for a limited time. A lot of you guys say you don't have the time or you don't have the money, but if you have more than $400 in the markets, then this is a crucial investment if you don't know what you're doing, okay? And if you say you don't have the time, you can do it whenever you want. Do you watch Netflix? Do you watch YouTube? Okay, watching these videos, you could be watching a course video instead to learn, all right? You do have the time. That being said, let's get straight into the charts. So we did see some nice buying pressure around these 0.786 Fibonacci levels. Came back up, touched these 618s, boom, boom, boom. Came back up, touched them again. It's almost looking like we're seeing the exact same move as previously. Back in the February range. You see here? So we could come back down. Retest these 869s, 87s. Thank you, sir. My chef just brought me some food. Come back down and retest these 6.7s, okay? 6.7s before moving higher. Now that is on the lower end of things. So if Bitcoin shows strong support early, buyers step in, push it higher, creating those higher lows, then this will also follow. And the thing about the markets right now is that a lot of people don't really know what's going on. It's neutral, okay? They're neither bearish or greedy. They're bearish or bullish, neither. Which means most people are waiting at this moment, okay? It's going to take some news. It's going to take a catalyst. That's what it's called. In order for the overall markets to start spiking again. Now, we have seen a catalyst with all this Russia stuff. That was one catalyst, but in order for it to really kick off and start this bull run again, we're going to see a switch in the sentiment of the news, all right? Remember how last bull run, boom, 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 right? The news was all Bitcoin's a great investment, Bitcoin's going to $1 million, you know. No one's saying that anymore because it's down, okay? But once that sentiment changes and it starts going up, and you're going to start hearing the I told you so's, right? If you're hearing the I told you so's, that's how you know, first of all, you're too late. And you're going to lose money if you average in at the top again. So, pay attention to Crypto Billionaire 69 because we get in around these levels, okay? Around the lows when no one's talking about crap, all right? Easiest thing. Winners win in silence, losers are loud. So, that being said, market is very neutral at the moment. However, we can still see some bullish pressure, okay? And we are seeing bullish pressure as we are creating higher lows and moving past these previous points of resistances at this $45,000 level. We're going to see a $50,000 Bitcoin in no time. And it's going to be great, my friends. Now, we're just waiting. People are loading up. The whales are loading up slow and steady before this next move. So stay tuned, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69. Join the Patreon if you can't watch the charts or simply don't know how. Or you just want peace of mind and allow me to watch the charts for you. Real-time buy and sell alerts. Get in and out at the best prices. You know the vibes. Links in the description. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.